I'm V. Suresh, former Chairman Managing Director of HUDCO, and has been working in the sector on housing, urban development, as well as real estate development, as well as city development for the last 50 years. I'm working very closely now with the Good Governance India Foundation, dealing with all the issues related to the urban development, management and governance issues, and more importantly, to make cities cleaner, as well as hygienic and smarter and safe.
Okay, since you deal with this whole good governance about cleaner cities, greener cities, how could you just tell us, like briefly, that how can a city, an urban India, like a city like Delhi or any other city, be kept green and clean without too much of constructions and wastage? So is there any way?
Of course there is a way, and we have to find a way on that. Cities cannot be sustainable unless they are able to provide 100% sanitation for every person who come over there, be it the rich or the middle income or the low income or the poor or who are there. Till recently, urban population, the way in which is increasing in a large way, in a very large way, we are getting into 40% of India's population going to be in cities over there. And to know that more than 20-25% of the people do not have access to toilets, they still have to depend upon the open defecation, is a shameful thing. Besides the social aspect of the shame or whatever, it is also a larger health issue, because that really brings in, they say if you can spend 1 good rupee into good sanitation, you save about 10 rupees on all the health care, because all the diseases that you have over there is as a result of bad water, bad sanitation, waste, the mosquitoes, the dengue and all those things are all coming as a result of these particular lack of sanitation related aspect on that. So it's an absolute must, and therefore we are extremely happy that the government has launched this program of sanitation for all under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, to be done by 2019, which is the 150th anniversary of Gandhiji's, and Gandhiji had this great thing of providing sanitation as a very major component. And therefore we have to do a lot of things, series of initiatives required, as I am able to see. One, at the individual level in houses which does not have sanitation, and more so the women folk and the children are finding it difficult because they have to go either after sunset or before sunrise. That's all bad sanitation issue related one. So one is that. Other one, where you cannot provide those particular things, provide the community facilities, pay and use type of sanitation facilities which can be just maintained also. The only thing in community toilets, the issue is we go everywhere excepting there because they are not maintained properly. So you have to ensure that they are also maintained properly by giving the right level of water for flushing and cleaning up and all that. So therefore a series of initiatives will come. Schools are going to be another major component. Large number of school dropout, especially when the girls are coming, you are aware, because you're not having sanitary facilities in schools after 8th standard and 9th standard dropout. So you can have a strategy coming over there, large places of railway stations, bus stands and congregating places, bazaars, to have public toilets in a large way. So they don't do the wrong things at the right places. Other one is a school level in a large way. Then individual housing to be done, and mostly the issues where Juggi Jompadis and Zoparpattis are there, slum areas or the weaker section people are there, 100% you got to provide not only a better housing for all agenda is coming, now sanitation for all. We can mix both these together so you can have a clean, safe habitat of not only roof over one's head, but also to provide the right sanitation level. You require technologies the right way. How do you build it within a certain cost levels so that not only it's a safe place, but also disposal system is important. Toilet is not a problem. From the toilet, the waste that comes, it should be going to a safe disposal system. So you require the right level of technology options also, so that within an affordable cost, everybody will be able to get the toilets in the next about 4 to 5 years time period. I'm sure this big event that's being organized on sanitation by the team with all of us involved in that will give a big push for the whole program.